Understanding anti-drone measures, safeguarding skies. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing and highly relevant topic: anti-drone measures. With drones becoming increasingly common for both recreational and commercial use, it's vital to understand how and why measures are taken to control them. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what anti-drone measures are and why they're essential for our safety and privacy. Before we delve into anti-drone measures, let's first understand what drones are. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are aircraft without a human pilot aboard. They can range from small consumer-grade models to large military drones. Drones are used for various purposes, including photography, surveillance, agriculture, and even delivery services. As the use of drones expands, so does the need to regulate them. Anti-drone measures are strategies and technologies designed to detect, track, and neutralize rogue or unauthorized drones. The primary reasons for implementing these measures include protecting privacy, ensuring public safety, preventing espionage, and guarding against potential drone attacks on sensitive facilities. Anti-drone technologies can be categorized into several types, each serving a different purpose. 1. Detection and tracking. These systems use radar, radio frequency, RF, scanners, and other sensing technologies to identify unauthorized drones in restricted areas. 2. Interception. Once a drone is detected, methods like net guns, trained birds of prey, and even other drones are used to physically capture or disable the rogue drone. 3. Electronic countermeasures. This involves jamming or spoofing the drone's communication, making it impossible for the operator to control it, or forcing it to land. 4. Regulatory measures. Not all anti-drone measures are technological. Regulations and laws play a crucial role in controlling drone use, requiring operators to register their drones and restrict their use in certain areas. Implementing anti-drone measures is not without its challenges. These include balancing privacy rights with security needs, preventing interference with legitimate drone operations, and the continuous evolution of drone technology, which may outpace existing countermeasures. Additionally, there's the matter of cost and the practicality of deploying these technologies in different environments. We hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive overview of anti-drone measures and their importance in today's world. As drones continue to become a part of our daily lives, understanding and managing their impact is crucial for our collective security and privacy. Thank you for watching. And if you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the English language and its applications in modern technology. Remember, learning is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. See you in the next video.